Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Debbie and I focus on DIY, style and beauty. And today's video is going to be a DIY, but before I jump into that, I just want to remind you that yes, this top is also a DIY top that I've posted a while back. I'm going to put the link below. So I've used so many different fabrics for this particular style. I have this in velvet, in tulle, I've used organza, satin and so on, so check it out. Okay, that was just by the way. Let's jump right into this. Today's video is going to be on this cute padded muscle t-shirt I've been seeing around. I think the first time I saw it was on the Frankie shop, and yeah, it was above my budget obviously, so I decided to make my version, which was less than 15 Ghana cedis. The interesting thing is I've actually done something similar, but it was with a full t-shirt somewhere 2017, which was inspired by Vetements, but this time around it's a muscle padded t-shirt. So as usual, I'm not going to bore you too much with my talk. I will just jump right into this, and right after the DIY tutorial is going to be 5 ways to style this, so stick and stay. Don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So I'm starting off with the t-shirts, shoulder pads, scissors and a needle and thread. So I'm going to start by prepping my shoulder pads. Obviously these are too big for me, so I'm just going to make it a bit smaller. So I'm cutting a smaller semicircle and they're ready. Okay, so moving on to the t-shirt. So you notice that the shoulder drops a bit, but that's not where I want my shoulder pad to be. So I'm just going to use this pin to pin it at where I want it to be, so it's kind of serving as a guideline when I'm cutting. So now I'm going to cut off the sleeves, but I'm going to leave a little part on like this, so you can see where the pin is and the part that I left. Then I'm gonna go in with my shoulder pads, place it there, and then kind of wrap the t-shirt, whatever fabric that's left around this is like a parcel. So just make sure that you wrap it around neatly, and then you just use your pin to secure it. And we're gonna jump to the next one, which is sewing it on. So I'm going to use my needle and thread and just sew the shoulder pads onto the shirt. This is very easy because you're just going to sew along the seams of the t-shirt, so nothing too fancy. I think I just did like big gaps in there, and then you just stop at where the shoulder pad ends. So I'm turning it inside to just secure like the shoulder pads a bit further, because I don't really like it when my shoulder pad moves. So I'm just going to create a little like a seam or whatever like at the ends. And then this is definitely like a basic, so I know I'm going to wear it a lot, so I wanted to really secure the edges as well. So I'm just going in to like sew the hem onto the shoulder pad so it's more neat, because I'm definitely going to wear this a lot. Well, I've washed this 3 times. I worn it 3 times and nothing happened. It stayed on because I sewed it onto the t-shirt. Yeah, we are.